Hi everybody, welcome to another edition of Jame's Jam. I'm Jame. This is my jam. And I have 3 unboxings to do for you today. 2 are from Fashionphile, and then 1 is from YSL. But it's not probably as grand as it seems, because let's start with the YSL. The YSL is in this box. See, it says YSL on it. And I saw this showed up on an Instagram ad, and I'm like, okay, I have to have this. It's this.
It's a piece of chalk.
Lip gloss in almost like a rose goldy lavender tube. So I think I got the color. I want to see it's like pink frost. Can you see what that says? Does that say the name on it?
Yep, okay. It's 62Y700. That's the color.
Thanks.
Yep.
But it's just a lip gloss. They didn't have a clear, so I got this pink shade. Their lip gloss is always so good. It just like melts right on. But even the tube here's got the pinky color. And here's the sign. Can you even tell I have it on my lips? I mean, other than the fact that they might look glossier. No. It didn't change color, right?
Yeah, they're black.
They're not. So I saw this and I'm like, okay, I don't need another lip gloss. I have some. I have YSL, 2 Hermes, Gucci.
How many pairs of lips
Chanel.
do you have?
Oh, shut up. I'm not even answering that. But I just thought it was so pretty. So I had to get it. So that's one of my unboxings.
All right.
Thanks
for watching.
Are from Fashionphile.
Oh.
And they are not open yet. And
Oh,
I know
boy.
I'm not good at opening boxes, but I still think it's important to... For a while, I wasn't doing unboxings per se. I was showing you that I had the box, but I already had it open and stuff. But I think it's important to show how things come. A lot of us are buying through the mail, not in store. Why are you laughing?
What?
Did you burp? I bet you did.
Nope.
And then why are you laughing? Something wrong?
No, nothing's wrong.
Okay. So, a lot of people buy online now, and I don't know about you, but I'm interested in finding out how things come. Like Dooney and Burke, Room for Improvement, Coach. Stop using those bags with all the basically asbestos-looking stuff in them. Fashionphile. Okay. I said I didn't want the extra stuff. Apparently, that doesn't matter if I say that, because we have
Extra stuff.
Extra stuff.
And you just cleaned in here.
I know I did. So now I got to be super careful with this so that it doesn't stop it anywhere. Or I'll just have to pick it up. Oh, jeez Louise. So, okay.
There's
looks like
a paper coating. It's actually a Hot Pocket thing.
Right.
Hot Pocket.
Okay, so the items in here, what is this? Just all put? Yeah. All this. What's so funny about this? Number one, it's all pillowed in there, but wouldn't you think that maybe they put the item in here instead of the item right on top there where anything could hit it?
Those dots were protecting it.
But right, true. So,
they don't have any smaller boxes at Fashionphile?
A lot of packaging here for that. So, here's my item. This is something that I absolutely positively love. Can you guess? It is my second favorite SLG. So if those of you who watch, especially my bag swaps on Mondays, should know.
We don't know. You haven't done one of those in a while.
My first favorite SLG is the Louis Vuitton key pouch. That's my favorite of all time. My second favorite is a Kelvy card holder. I am a little confused here though, because this is very green and I thought what I got was a light green. Let's see.
Good luck reading that.
What kind of calfskin is it's different.
It's dead calf skin.
It is not. What's that say?
Madam calfskin Kelvy card case in the color mentha?
Mint.
No,
But
M-E-N.
it's, yeah.
Okay,
Okay,
mint.
so it is different. Okay, it's the light that's making it look weird in here. Okay, where is my... I'll show you why I'm surprised. Because I have that same color bracelet. And at first, this was looking a lot greener.
Oh, they kind of match.
But it does. Because now, I was thinking what happened. Here is... Oh, that's not the right one. Easy for me to say. There's my blue one. Where is my green? Oh, I'm using my green one.
See, we'd know that if you'd show us in the swap.
So, I thought this was the same color as my green Kelly green one, but it's not. It does actually match that. And this is my favorite color. So the lights in here look darker, and I'm like, why is it so dark? But it actually is the right color. But I like the leather on there. That's different than any other leather I have a card holder in anyways. So this is my favorite Hermes color of all. This mint or mentee or M-E-N-T-H-E.
It's men. It's men, the.
Oh, sorry. And it even has silver hardware and silver writing. It says Hermes.
Any cash in there?
But no. But this is my favorite color.
Cards? So
when this came up on Fashionphile, I had to get it. I had to get it. It's my favorite. It's very close to the green, but yeah, I just so happen to be using the green this week. So I'll have to show you that actually they are different. And I love this color. So that's the first thing I got. And it was nice they gave me the little dust bag like that, because it just came with that. With nothing, in other words. Then I got something else. Something else. And so let's see how this one's packaged. Now again, I said I didn't want all the extra stuff.
The extra zhoosh.
Yeah, zhoosh. Okay, this one, they listened. Because this one came like this. But again, I have to chuckle. Because the item is...
Oh, it's resting on the pillow.
Resting on the pillow, but what if somebody hits the top of the box? Okay. Whatever. I don't mind. I have more paper for packaging. I used up a ton of packaging sending people their bags out. So, this also did not come with the original box. So, Fashionphile gives you a box like this. So, if you've gotten a box like this from Fashionphile already, you'll know that this is jewelry. Okay, so here's my little
coaster.
And they even put it in their own little Fashionphile velvety holder, which is really
like
a nice
velveteen
touch.
rabbit.
Yeah, honestly. Okay. I was trying to see if I could read what this all said. But this is...
Is it in English?
Yeah, the double wrap.
Quesadilla?
No. Swift... Okay, you can tell me what it says.
Swift double wrap cord tourney tresse. I'm butchering that. Tournis.
Dawn.
And then Tresse.
And it's in the T5, so it's the biggest, the biggest, if not, I believe it's the biggest size that they make this in.
So
I don't know.
What is it?
It's a bracelet.
Oh.
Like this one. This is from Hermes, but this is a double. And I don't know.
How does that open?
I don't know.
Margot.
I don't know, Margot. Does it open? It must open. Because I don't know how you'd slide your finger through, maybe.
Probably gotta take your rings off. No, I don't know. I got nothing.
Okay, I don't want to break it beforehand. There's got to be a way to open it, right? No? Yes? I don't know.
Yes, no, maybe.
This is sliding through there.
I don't know. Can you repeat the question?
Someone's going to know, and then, or they're going to be like, no, it doesn't.
I think, yeah, I mean, just grab a scissors. That'll open it.
Oh, shut up. And this looks like it's a brownish color. So, there's that.
It's in the color poo.
Yeah. Okay, this one moves. I mean, it moves through the center there. Okay, does it not open? Does anybody know?
I don't think they're going to be able to talk to you directly.
No, but they'll tell me in the comments. Okay, now I'm curious. So now I'm going to have to... I just don't want... This is the only ring I'm worried about getting caught on. Because this is a T5 bracelet. But I can't see... Trying to... Man, put this on like this, I'm going to break something. Okay, I'm going to have to do some more research on this to find out if there's a way to open this or... Uh-oh, there we go. Or if it's just supposed to slide, you're just supposed to slide it on. But, I mean, this is a men's... usually men wear the T5s, so I'm just kind of thinking, I can't see... Do you want to look and see if it looks like there's any way to open this? I'm having the cameraman take a look. Because I can't see anything up close. But even this one, I wouldn't be able to slip I wouldn't be able to slip it. It'd be pretty tough to slip it over my hands. And my hands aren't that big.
I'd have to look at it with two hands, so...
So this is, we'll have to see how this one goes. But I wanted another bracelet, but I wanted a double to go, because I love this one. So I wanted the double, so I got this too. Hopefully we'll be able to figure out how this works and goes on. I'm twisting it any way I can think of. It's probably going to be something really simple, or it doesn't. And then I'm not sure, then I maybe have to switch what I do with this. But, okay, this was, I can't call this a fail. I'll just say I don't know how to work this. I'll have to figure this out.
User error.
Right? Or do you just try to slide it on? I don't want to break anything.
I don't think there's got to be a way to disengage it.
But I don't even know how that would work. Okay, anyways, those are the two items that I got from Fashionphile. I am very happy about both. If worst came to worst, I could slide this on, but then it's not coming off. So hopefully I'll be able to figure out how this works. And then I'll have a bracelet, and I'll show it to you in another video once I get it on, one way or the other. So those are the two things I got. I like how it's got like the H, like right there. And I just like the color of it. And yeah, I just thought it was cool. And I like this one. This one's a T5 too. And I just like it. It's nice and roomy on my wrist. And so I picked up this one. So what do you guys think? Isn't this such a good color? I just love this. Pretty sure Dale from Dale's Addiction has her Birkin is in this color. And this is the color that I would like. It looks like there's a little bit of a sting right there, but I don't care. This I love this color, and this, like I said, this leather is different than any of the other leathers I have. So this is my number 2 favorite SLG. So I have that and a new bracelet, both from Hermes, and that's what I have for you today. I have some more unboxings coming up. I got a couple more bags to show you, and just a lot of fun stuff. So if you like this video, or even if you don't, consider subscribing. I'm going to say that because lately, it seems like every video, I'll get somebody who makes smart comments, or not nice ones in the comments. And I'm thinking to myself, okay, it's just as easy to be nice as it is to not be nice. Just be nice.
Like
Or
that
don't-
annoying guy in the background who
right,
keeps
or-
commenting.
Stop it. Or don't comment. I mean, like, the world has enough negativity. It does. It just does. So spread positivity. Spread positivity. It's so easy to be nice.
What do you always say? Grace.
Yes. Oh, yeah. I'm always telling you, Grace, especially when we're driving.
Wait, what?
Yeah. So, anyways, please consider subscribing if you're not already. I do put out videos on Wednesdays and Saturdays in regards to both luxury and contemporary related handbags, small leather goods, jewelry, perfume, watches. I mean, sometimes shoes, perfume, just my jam. Occasionally on Thursdays, there'll be a book related video where I'll do a book haul and tell you what I've been reading, what I want to read, what I finished reading. On Mondays, I do bag swaps where I swap from my current bag into my next bag and switch out my small leather goods. And
You're going to do that
show
this
you
Monday?
those as well.
We're going to hold you to that.
You can find me over on Instagram if you haven't already. I'm there at James Jam as well. It's just JAME_S_Jam. And until next time, please do unto others as you would have them do unto you. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. Just me again. Give him 5 seconds and he's got the bracelet open. You just pull on the end and it pulls out and then tucks back in once you have it on. So I have it on. It's beautiful. It looks super nice with my other bracelet and my bracelets. And I'm just super happy with it. So yeah, it was user error. I had no clue what I was doing. He figured it out right away. And crisis averted.